office ni John. Doon na siya. Eto na, naampak ko na yung mga damit namin. Eto naman yung mga dalaw ko para sa skincare, para alaga. No running, Baba! No running! No. Dito kami sa malapit lang sa pinagstayan namin. May nakita sila dyan, tsaka yung kaibigan namin na kaibigan nila din na taga-Australia. Maraming Australian na kaibigan nilang papunta next week. Tapos meron na yung mga nauna. So marami silang mamimit dito, mga friends din nila. So nakaupo kami dito. Ang katapat namin ayan, dagat. Sophie's mom. Paul is eating my ice cream.
Yeah, it had all the little villas.
Akin na, Baba. Yaki na. No more.
We're saying like in the whole park.
Is that?
Which is like, if it's still good. Yeah, and the pool. Yeah. But then yeah. I don't know what they're...
Are you ready to eat your corn?
Oh, is it really?
Huh? Do you want to check it, Baba? Huh?
Looks like there's a couple of ways to food at this morning. Yeah, well, the time is here.
It's still hot? A little bit, huh? Is it spicy? Okay. Tell me how it tastes like. Huh? Tell me. You like it?
I only bought me 5 cents. Mate, I've only got the old one. That's good. You only get 4
Huh? You like it, Zach? Si TJ ayaw niya. Pasi si TJ. Not like kay Zach. Ito yung spicy corn. Oh my God. Ang sarap, God. Ang tamis niyang maanghang na maalat. Tapos yung sunog na lasa, yung pag inaasal. Sarap na. Humingi siya kay Zach. Zach, can you give her? Because mine is spicy. Zach, please. Good boy. This is spicy, Baba. This one, that's really the best. Let Daddy try. Let Daddy try, Baba. Ayaw kasi medyo ng spicy. Nice. Mas gusto pa rin niya yung sa Philippines. Yung malagkit, yung puto. That's the white one, right? Yung parang malagkit na corn. Yun ang gusto niya. Chuck! Chuck! You want more?
Cheers, Johnny. What are you having? Go.
Corn.
Bit of Jim Beam in it.
Yeah. You get a bit dirty, bro.
Chuck, you want more? You want more?
Look at some bottles there. There's some bottles got.
Yeah.
That's bullshit. That's not.
15,000.
That's enough for now. What are you hungry, Jackie? Boy.
Finished? Tapos na siya, guys, oh. It's finished. Ubus na. No more. I'll give it to Holly. Okay, simutin mo yan.
Jack Mouse, take out Pumunta.
Sarap?
Right there with Kylie and Sophie
Since that birthday,
there. TJ, where's TJ?
Here with me, honey.
You want a drink, mate? Kylie, oi, TJ. Kylie and Sophie are just there, and Zach.
No, that's just it.
Yeah, just play down the front. Don't go near the water. Alright? Just there, just where they are, just in front of us here.
yeah,
So we can see you.
we're like, oh yeah, sort of. A little bit. It's like, yeah, he's cracking. Yeah, all of them, even Harry, yeah, all of them, they look exactly the same, they're just all big. You've got him fascinating.
Battle is good, isn't it?
Had a bird.
And the other one's chief of police in car. Right, so he's playing Bali, and they were trying to set from the car.
Enjoy na enjoy sila maglaro sa ano, sa buhangin. Wala na yung ano, yung sunset. Ay. Kuya, just here! Doon kami nakaupo. Diyan. No throwing sand, Zach. No throwing sand. What are you doing, Kuya? May nagpapapicture kay Sophie. Sikat na si Sophie dito, oh. Sophie, you got lots of fans here? Pinagtatawanan siya ni Zach. Why, Zach? What's so funny, Zach? Marami nagpapapicture kay Sophie, oh. Smile, Sophie! Palobat na to, guys. Dinner dito sa Bali. Meron akong ayan, seafood nasi goreng and buko juice. Holy Baba! Sapo Mama, ayaw nyo. Are you ready for your food? Dito siya nakaupo kasi gusto niya kasama si Kobe at saka yung bago niyang friend. Oh, that looks yummy. Ayan si Kuya. It looks good.
Yeah, it's not real good, is it?
Hi, Kuya. Wait for your noodles, okay? So, dito sila nakaupo. Ayan si Jan. Spaghetti. First night, dinner in Bali. Wow, what are you having, Sam?
Fish and chips.
Oh, fish and chips. Oh, snapper. Si Zach meron siyang fish and chips na snapper. How is it, Zach? Zach, how is that? Yum. Yes, you can eat it if you want. How is it? Kinakain niyo yung pansin. What? You like the fish sauce? Oh! Si Holly, nasarili niyang plate kasi gusto niyang kumain mag-isa. Wait, Baba. Okay, wait. Upo. Opo, ikaw. Put your legs. Opo. There you go. Good girl. Opo. Good girl. Oh, pray. You pray. Father? Yung pala alam yung pray. Good girl. It's cooking, eh. Wala pang siyang pagkain ni Kuya TJ na noodles. How's that sauce? Can I try? Spicy? Oh, no, that's very spicy. Put your head over the pool.
Mine's a Bali dad.
Good girl.
Mom's getting us a doll. And it's just across the house. So it's put it down. So I thought if I would have said that, then it would sound weird. And Mom's gonna stick it to say any shop life.
Wow, that's pretty cool. When you go to that.
At least it's in students.
Wala pa yung order ni TJ. Tapos na yung iba. Si Sak na in-order ng fish and chips. Ang laman niya is snapper. Tapos humingi ako ng sambal sauce. Ayan, ang anghang. Try natin. Yes, Baba.
What is that?
It's still because my camera is almost flat.
That Chona and my kids.
Yes.
When do you line it all?
Wow. This is ang anghang niya, guys. As in yung grabe yung kick ng spicy niya. Hindi tulad sa Bicol. Pero masarap. Try Kylie. Just dip. Sabi ko i-try ni Kylie. Yung mami ni Sophie, ayaw niya. Pero kaya ko. Pero sobrang anghang. Okay. Processing pa raw yung kay TJ. Yung sa amin patapos na kami. Wala pa yung kay Kuya. Kawawa naman. Ayun. Siya na lang ang unang pagka. Kuya, are you hungry? You wanna try Mommy's rice? No? Ayaw niya naman i-try yung kasi seafood to eh. Hindi ma-seafood si TJ. Isda, oo. Hindi lang yung mga ganito. Ayaw ni TJ. Tapos na si Holly. How are you going there, Baba? Diba, hindi naman siya madumi kumain kasi wala namang sauce.
Noodles.
Yan na yung order ni Kuya. Try it, Kuya. How is that?
Say truth.
Is it spicy?
Truth.
Kuya, how is that? Good? Guys, kanina, dumating yung pagkain ni TJ. So, nagpunta ako para i-video yun. Tapos si Holly, nandito yung aking manghang. Yung manghang, inano niya, kumuha siya ng, ginamit niya. How is it, Holly? It's spicy. How's it spicy? How spicy? kinain niya, spicy na, pero pinainom ko lang siya ng buko. Okay na siya, ang sobrang angang niya. Ang lasa niya is fish, yung patis parang fish sauce. And may lime siya, na parang natitikman kong may lime. Tapos basta masarap siyang sobrang anghang. Are you done, Baba? So nakakain din ito si Holly. Nakaya niya. Malasahin si Holly. Ay, how is it, Holly? How's this? Holly, what's this? Ito yung nilalakaran namin ngayon. Ito ang mga shop. Ayan, ang dami pa doon. Ano to? Nabundol ko siya kaka-vlog. That's alright bro. Dito mag-grocery. Ay, hindi ang grocery. Bibili lang kami yung mga kailangan namin. Ano ba to? Matahali. Ang daming accessories.
Speaking of Jazz, yang ke-301.
Ito, asan bang grocery dito? Parang lahat naman siya mga mga gansilyo. Parang mga pasalubong ang mga tinda nila. Ito yung mangosteen, I'm gonna try. Han! Where did here. Kuha tayo nito. Mangosteen. I-try natin dito kung anong lasa ng mangosteen ng Bali. Mangoes. Dragon fruit. Wow. Parang siya ng dragon fruit. Here. 5 lang yung kinuha ko. And ayan. Guwapa. Ay, ano to? Dalanghita. Oh, meron silang dalanghita. Can I have one? I-try ko lang. Isa lang. I-try lang natin. Can I have one?
Just one?
Yeah, just one. And oh, may tambis din sila. Tambis, tapos bayabas. Ano to? Hindi ko to alam. Banana, tsaka prinsesang banana. Yan ang mga fruits nila so far na nakikita ko. So, try natin to. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yan, guys. So, gusto ko i-try yung dragon fruit nila kasi ang pula-pula, oh. And one of this, please. Thank you.
Mommy,
What's that?
We get
I just got food.
Mom, there, Mom,
Okay.
there more.
Maghahanap kami ng katol. Kasi malamok. Ayun, katol. Nahanap na ni Jan. Ayan siya. Ayan yung katol nila. Which one is? They have green, purple, and orange. Do we need the spray?
extra 50%.
Is that the strongest one?
Yeah, it says max.
Max, okay.
You want one, Kylie?
You want one? You want one for the mosquito?
Do you put them in your room at night?
Outside your room.
Head and shoulder hand, the pink one.
No, that's dandruff.
Ah.
That makes your hair fall out. Joe used to do it. Lemon lime.
Baba?
Big breakfast tomorrow.
Alas yan? Si Holly meron siyang Oreo.
What, you get a good set?
Dad,
Yeah,
can
you
I
can
open it
have-
when
yes.
she
Yes.
send it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Can I open it when she send it?
Yeah, it's all
Yeah, it's
done.
already done. Nascan na yun kuya. First grocery dito sa Bali.
Ambil lagi satu, beli 5 beli.
Yeah, this is mine. Oh, this is.
Yeah, this is my part.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
get one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
May free pala. Pag 5 mineral, may free. Thank you. How was it? Good? May paubos na.
Right out there.
188,000.
Two of them?
Yeah, itu ada.
Two.
Yeah. Oh, well, I'm
How
going to
much-
give,
how
only
much
give
is
them two.
So how much is in Australian?
$20.
$20?
I don't know, I think.
Thank you. How much? Wait, let me see.
Thank you.
Let keep the change. Keep the change now. See ya. May keep the change si Jan dito sa pag-grocery namin. You want some daw, guys. Kain lang siya ng kain, no? Siyang masarap kasama sa mga kainan. Si Kuya hindi masyado. Labas, tinatanong ako ni TJ kung para saan daw ito. What is it?
That's a lot that every morning give good luck to their gods.
Narinig niyo yun, guys? Every morning na, they offer it every morning. So, sabi ni Jan, ino-offer daw to every morning para daw dun sa God nila. So, yan. At saka siguro paswerte na rin sa store. Tinanong kasi ni Kuya kung ano daw yan. Guys, i-haul ko itong mga pinamili namin na konting grocery. First grocery namin dito sa Bali. And this is our first night here also. So, eto, worth 18 Australian dollars siya. So, ayan. Bumili kami ng mineral water. 5 nito. Pag 5 binili mo, may free isa. So, 6 siya. Eto, 6 na mineral water. Then, isang Pringles. Hindi ko alam kung magkano ang isa. Basta, yung total price is $18. Yung Yakult nila napakamura. Kasi, sa Australia, ang ganito, $9 Australian siya. 2, 4, 6, 8, $9 sa Australia to. So, Yakult. And eto, dragon fruit. Ang pula kasi ng dragon fruit nila compared doon sa Australia. Sa Australia kasi, puti siya tapos yung maliliit na itim na seed. So, eto, sobrang pula niya. Pasensya nyo na ang ingay ng background natin. Then, bumili ako ng mangosteen. Magkano ba ito? Hindi ko alam. Basta, mangosteen. 6 na piraso na mangosteen. Tignan natin siya mamaya. And, katol, baygon. Okay, thank you. And shampoo and conditioner. So yun, $18 lang siya, guys. Mura para sa akin, mura to kasi yung fruta, yung fruit, ito mahal to. Sa Australia, I think siguro depende, basta mahal to, basta mahal siya. And eto, napakamahal ito sa Australia, itong mangosteen. Oh, no, it's Yakult. Yakult. So, okay, so see you now. Okay, good night na to everyone. Bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Say good night.
Good night.
Say bye.
We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye. We'll put this in the fridge. Si ate. Wait, what is where it's not food? What?
We're gonna play Gold.
Say hi, hi. Hi. Wow, is it yummy? Yeah. Straw, no. Oh, which one you gonna wear tonight? Sige na nga. How much is this? 50. Hi, Joe. Ano nito, pagpakawa.